Hey everyone, John here and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you MSC World Europa cruise ship tour, and I will show you about cabins, onboard activity, entertainment and dining option. European cruise line MSC might not yet have the brand recognition of some of its US-based competitors, at least to the North American audience, but its large ships bring all the at-sea fun you'd come to expect from the big names. Where MSC stands apart is its international following. On board, it's not uncommon to hear passengers speaking numerous languages, as they hail from all over the world. If you think this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friend, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Alright, let's get started on our MSC World Europa cruise ship adventure. MSC World Europa cabins. All cabins aboard MSC World Europa can be broken down into 6 primary categories: interior, ocean view, balcony, Aria balcony, suite, and MSC Yacht Club. Within these 6 categories, there is a further myriad of options that relate to the stateroom's position on the ship, its amenities, general size, or all of the above. But the act of picking a cabin aboard MSC's largest ship to date starts with first selecting the basic type of accommodation you want. Onboard activities and entertainment. You won't be bored on this ship, with standard amenities like pools, hot tubs, a casino, and an arcade, as well as more unique ones, like the aforementioned world's tallest dry slide at sea and Formula 1 simulator, a water park, bumper cars, and a roller rink. There's plenty to do on board. There are also numerous shows in the various performance venues, including the Luna Park Arena, the World Theater, and the Panorama Lounge. In the latter, I watched a sultry Latin dance show. Dining option. MSC World Europa will also bring the dining experience to the next level for MSC Cruises. The ship includes 33 total restaurants and bars, lounges, 13 of those specifically being dining venues. The cruise line will introduce 2 new specialty concept restaurants on MSC World Europa: Chef's Garden Kitchen, which will feature dishes with ingredients from the first hydroponic garden at sea, as well as MSC Cruises' new signature Mediterranean fish restaurant La Pescaderia. Returning eateries include Butcher's Cut, Ola, Tacos and Cantina, and Kaido Teppanyaki and Sushi Bar. A collection of 20 bars and lounges will include 7 brand new bar and cafe concepts like the line's first onboard microbrewery, a gin bar, and a special mixology cocktail bar. And that wraps up our ultimate guide to sailing with the MSC World Europa cruise ship. I hope you found the information shared in this video helpful and insightful for planning your future cruise vacation. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences sailing with the MSC World Europa cruise ship, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and engaging in discussions. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it valuable. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any upcoming travel-related content. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of this incredible community. Wishing you smooth sailing and unforgettable adventures. See you on the next video. Happy cruising!